Reed and I are currently in bumper-to-bumper traffic in Los Angeles, and honestly, I have to get out of this city.
The feathered edges glowed gold, just as if Helios were catching the real bird.
We thought we would be out of the city much sooner than this, but that's okay. I genuinely, though, felt a moment when I no longer saw the city. I took the biggest sigh of relief. We've been in Los Angeles for 2.5 months. We thought we were just coming to Southern California for a brief moment. I needed to get out of the city. It wasn't that our time in the city was horrendous or anything. I'm not a city camper, a city van lifer. I need to be able to open our doors and allow the animals to be out and about. Things are going up from here. I just feel it. We are spending the whole week out of the city, if not more. I need to make us a snack in order to have the rest of this drive go smoothly. It was at the very bottom, just like I knew it would be. We have maca powder I can put in it. We're getting back on the road. We are headed to somewhere very cool. We're going east from Los Angeles. So we're going north. We're going north from Los Angeles. So put your guess in the comments where we're going. This is the happiest I've ever been to sleep at a rest stop. I'm out of the city and I can't tell you how happy that makes me.
Yeah, I'm ready to go to sleep. It feels like it's been like 12 hours. It's been a long time since we've driven 4 hours.
High five. You drove that. I'm so proud of you.
My eyes feel heavy. I didn't realize how heavy they felt until I looked at you.
What's that supposed to mean? All right,
Hey,
we're going to bed. Cat's happy. Cat tomorrow is gonna be able to roll on the ground and I'm so excited for her. We'll see you in the morning, y'all. Bye. Good morning. This was the quietest rest stop I've honestly ever slept at. We are at higher elevation, so it is so much colder than it was when we were in the city in Los Angeles. Ugh. No, I am not changing out of my pajamas. It's too early for all that. Come inside, Bella.
Do you want to go potty?
Whoa, cat. Someone's got the zoomies. Try this time. Oh. It is too loud for Rita out here. She jumped back in the van. A bunch of trucks have pulled up. But lucky for her, we will not be here long. She's gonna like our final destination so much better.
Turn the water on, please.
Working?
Like a champ.
Good. She always keeps you company when you're filling up water.
Nope.
I don't know if you could hear that, but that was the water going through the pipes. And this right here, this is what I've been waiting to do. Something so simple, but so important. We have been without that for 2 months. We've been washing our hands with the water jugs, doing our dishes, and it just makes everything more monotonous and time consuming. And now I'm making coffee. Sites only with this symbol. How many spots are down this road? Oh, yeah. Garbage. Hold on, stop. Let me pick that trash up. Picking up trash is a must when you are camping out here. Also, just don't throw trash out your windows or leave trash. It's like the first code of camping. I'm out of practice. All our stuff's rattling around back
I know,
there.
once we got onto the dirt road, I was like, shoot, are we even like ready for this?
Are we
Are
prepared?
we prepared? I don't know. We haven't done this. We can always move around if you don't like that. As much level as possible. Our back doors are gonna open up to the rocks, so that'll be cool.
This is our view from our sliding door. Welcome to our spot, Kat. I knew the first thing she was gonna do is roll in the dirt. I told y'all this is gonna be our spot for the next like 5 days.
Great view of Mount Whitney. Caveman situation here. Yeah, it's a good spot indeed.
The only one that might be happier than I am to be out here is Rita, for sure. She's off adventuring.
Home sweet home. Definitely a pretty windy place. I have to put on a long sleeve because I'm already a little cold even though the sun is beaming. Let's go, girls. We're gonna check out the place around here. Definitely a very popular place to camp. I see why. These rocks, the view of the mountains back there, hard to beat it. Bella's way back there. It does not seem like she wants to go for a walk.
Why are your pants pulled up like that, like Steve Urkel?
I'm trying to tuck them in because I don't like how long it hangs. My brother got us this solo stove for Christmas. They're very popular. You see them all at every camping store. Bella, are you gonna help me set up or are you just gonna get in the way, huh? Fits in that bag snug. I'm gonna put this in the middle of the campfire, make it feel like it's a real fire. I'm gonna keep it away from this one. This might work. Does anyone have that one shirt that they just refuse to let go of because they had some good memories, but like the neck reflects those memories? This is ridiculous. It's so stretched out, but I refuse to let it go. Let's see if this even fits. Oh, perfect, like a glove.
There's Bella. Show me how to get down, kitty. Come here. Come on, Rita. You're making it look so easy. Clearly pretty rusty at climbing. But it's a lot of fun. Thanks for waiting for me, Kat. Where should we go? You just find all the cracks and crevices, don't you? Families reunited. Come here. You're queen of the world. There you go. Good job. I watched to see if Penelope would flinch. I'm glad to see such a wonder. Odysseus told me of it often. Odysseus, the name naked in the room. I would not quail if she did not. Then perhaps I said Odysseus.
The wind this morning is crazy. It was shaky in the van all night last night. We opened up the doors and Rita's too scared to go out. The wind has died down a little bit, so we're gonna head out for a run because we've been in the van pretty much all morning doing some reading, eating breakfast, and
Avoiding the wind.
yeah.
Hardcore. Reed was talking about going on a run this morning, and I was like, ugh, I don't want to. I'm just gonna read. But you know what?
I'm gonna drag her along.
I'm gonna do it. See y'all.
That's cool. been a few days since we went on our hike, and ever since then we've been hiding from the elements. It's been cold, windy, rainy now. It's pouring down. But we've still really enjoyed our time out here. All that to say, like, this space and freedom we've got out here has been so nice. I think we can go back to the city soon and feel maybe not revitalized, but with a new attitude.
Yeah, sometimes it just takes a moment away. So if you're feeling any of those feelings, please get outside or do something you love just to shake things up.
Mm-hmm.
I am so glad we came out here, and this is gonna wrap up this video.
Yeah. We'll catch you on the next one, folks.
See you next time.